Roundabouts are everywhere, and there's good reason for that. For single-lane roundabouts, yield to traffic already in the roundabout and don't assume they're exiting before they'd encounter your vehicle. Slow down, but don't stop if you can safely enter. Watch all incoming lanes and use your turn signal before you exit. Multi-lane roundabouts can be just a bit more confusing, and the rules I just described still apply. Use the black and white sign to determine which lane you should use to enter. Remember, do not change lanes once you've entered the roundabout. If I want to make a left turn, enter the roundabout in the left lane. You could also use the left lane to go straight through the intersection or even make a U-turn. The right lane is used to make a right turn or continue straight through the intersection. Watch out for large vehicles that can block your view. So now you're safely through the roundabout and on your way. Safe driving, everyone.